If you're tired of dealing with a boring fixed shower head, it's time for an upgrade. Today, we're counting down the best handheld shower heads you can buy, from powerful high-pressure models to budget-friendly picks packed with features. Whether you need one for bathing kids, washing pets, or creating a spa-like shower experience at home, we've got the perfect option for you. Check out the links below for more details and the latest prices. Now, let's dive in.
Number 1 is the Moen 26112 handheld shower head. Most handheld shower heads prioritize spray performance. The Moen 26112 solves a more immediate problem, putting it back with one wet hand without dropping it on your tile. The docking system is magnetic. Instead of a cradle or clip that requires visual alignment, the handheld snaps back to the bracket with a single motion. No fumbling, no locating a slot, no unit sliding off the holder mid-reach. In a wet environment where grip is genuinely reduced, that difference is felt every single use.
Coverage is the other headline feature. The 5.5-inch spray face is wider than any fixed handheld in its class. Standard units typically run 3.5 inches. The same 2.5 GPM output spread across that larger face covers both shoulders at once, eliminating the constant rotating that narrower heads require. It's a small change that makes a noticeable daily difference.
6 spray settings: downpour, rinse, massage, relaxing massage, soothing massage, and wide coverage handle every practical need without an overcrowded dial. The kink-free metal hose earns its description. It holds shape at connection points over years of use, where plastic-coated alternatives develop flow-restricting bends within months.
Moen backs every component with a limited lifetime warranty, a meaningful commitment on a product with moving parts and daily mechanical use. The 26112 is a premium unit built for households that reach for their handheld every day. If magnetic one-handed docking and broader water coverage are priorities, nothing in this category matches it on both counts simultaneously. Number 2 is the Delta ProClean handheld shower head. Most shower heads market a powerful spray as a feature. The Delta ProClean backs it with verified specifications, and the difference shows up on your shower walls.
The ProClean spray setting produces a wide fan stream, engineered specifically for surface cleaning. The geometry matters. A broad arc combined with concentrated pressure covers more tile per pass than a standard spray pattern, while still lifting soap scum and residue without a scrubbing tool. Delta's own testing, independently confirmed, puts its cleaning speed at more than double that of a conventional spray. For anyone who wipes down shower walls and glass after each use, that's a measurable time reduction built into the daily routine. The touch-clean rubber nozzles handle mineral buildup differently than standard options. The surface texture is designed so calcium and limescale deposits release with a thumb wipe during the shower. No descaling chemicals, no soaking, no maintenance routine. Useful anywhere, essential in hard water areas.
WaterSense certification adds a practical financial dimension. EPA verified to use at least 20% less water than the 2.5 GPM industry standard. A 4-person household running daily showers will see a tangible reduction in water and water heating costs over a full year without any noticeable drop in shower pressure or coverage.
5 additional spray settings round out everyday use alongside the ProClean mode. A lifetime limited warranty covers the product across all components. Where most handheld heads treat cleaning as an afterthought, the ProClean builds it into the core engineering. For households that care about keeping tile and glass clean between deep cleans, nothing in this category is more purposefully designed.
Number 3 is the Hotel Spa AquaCare handheld shower head. Few shower heads become Amazon's most reviewed shower head by accident. The AquaCare earns that spot by solving problems most buyers didn't even know they had, all without complicated installation.
Start with the spray settings. All 8 are practical.
rainfall, mist, pulse massage, pause, and 4 combination modes. The standout is Power Wash, a concentrated high-pressure stream that turns the shower head into a cleaning tool. Grout, tile walls, tub surrounds. Independent testing showed a full surround cleaned in about 12 minutes, a job that normally calls for a separate brush and cleaner.
The hose deserves equal attention. At 72 inches, it runs a full 2 feet longer than the 48-inch standard most competitors ship. That translates directly into daily convenience, rinsing the shower floor without bending, comfortably reaching a seated user, or bathing a child in a standard tub without shuffling the wall bracket between uses. 2 brackets come included: an overhead adjustable mount and a fixed low bracket suited for seated or child height use. Both go up without tools. Hard water users will appreciate the rubber nozzles. A quick finger press during your shower breaks up calcium deposits and restores even flow. No descaling chemicals needed. Pressure performance was tested at 30, 50, and 80 psi, confirming reliable output, even where household supply pressure runs low. That's a meaningful advantage in older homes or buildings where pressure fluctuates.
Taken together, cleaning power, hose reach, dual brackets, hard water resilience, it's a straightforward case for why this unit leads independent recommendation lists year after year.
Number 4 is the Moen 26100 EP handheld shower head. 2 certifications, 1 product. For the households it's designed to serve, that combination matters more than any spray setting. WaterSense certification means the EPA, not Moen, has independently verified the flow rate uses at least 20% less water than the 2.5 GPM industry standard while maintaining real pressure performance. For residents in California, Colorado, and other states with strict plumbing regulations, that verification eliminates the need to cross-check local compliance requirements separately. The product either meets the standard or it doesn't. This one does. An ADA compliance certification addresses something different: physical usability. Grip dimensions, operating force, and reach range all fall within the limits established for users with limited hand strength or reduced range of motion. For a household managing bathroom accessibility for an elderly parent, a post-surgery family member, or a wheelchair user, that certification is a concrete reference point, not a general claim about being easy to use. Height adjustability without permanent installation changes makes the 26100 EP practical in shared bathrooms. Position it low for a seated user, move it higher when not needed. No tools, no professional installation, no permanent modifications to the wall. 6 spray settings handle everyday use. The 60 inches kink-free metal hose maintains flow and shape through years of daily handling. Moen's limited lifetime warranty covers all components. For households where accessibility and water efficiency are genuine requirements rather than nice-to-haves, no other handheld unit in this category meets both standards simultaneously. Number 5 is the AquaDance handheld shower head. It's rare for editorial endorsements from Bob Vila, Reviewed.com, This Old House, and CNN_ to land on the same budget product. When they do, it's worth paying attention. 6 spray settings: Power Rain, Pulsating Massage, Power Mist, Rain Massage, Rain Mist, and Water-Saving Pause cover every practical daily preference without the unnecessary complexity of an 8 or 10 mode dial. Power Rain is the default high-pressure setting, and it's what independent testers and verified buyers consistently single out. At this price point, that pressure output is the AquaDance's most frequently cited advantage over competing budget units. The silicone rub clean jets use the same flexible nozzle design found on several premium units in this category. A quick finger rub across the face during your shower dislodges calcium and limescale buildup before it restricts flow.
a meaningful maintenance advantage in hard water areas where fixed nozzle heads gradually lose pressure over months of use. The 60 inches stainless steel hose covers standard shower configurations comfortably. The angle-adjustable overhead bracket fits all standard half-inch shower arms and installs without tools.
Bob Vila named it Best Bang for the Buck in 2026, a label earned through consistent real-world performance relative to cost, not simply by being the cheapest option available. More than 10,000 verified Amazon ratings reinforce that conclusion at scale.
For buyers who want reliable pressure, low-maintenance nozzles, and multiple independent endorsements without a premium price, the AquaDance is the most credible budget option in this list.
And that's a wrap on the best handheld shower heads this year. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect upgrade for your bathroom. Be sure to check the links below for the latest prices and best deals on all the products we mentioned. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and buying guides. Have any questions or personal favorites? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.